I'm Jack Blackmon and my partner is Isaac Bittner. Our project is named Cloudy with the Chance of Paintball.
The project that we chose to do interests us in many ways. The biggest one was that we used to play paintball with each other and our other friends all the time. While we were thinking about ideas for our project, it came to our minds that we could do something about paintball. And it was something that really interested us, so we just decided to do it. We came up with our research question because we were going to use the different types of air. However, there are only 2 types of air that we could have used in a paintball tank. And while we only had access to one type, so we decided to do what type of paintball barrel is the most effective at making the paintball shoot farther.
Our hypothesis is that the longest barrel would shoot the farthest. Our goal for this project was to see which barrel shot the farthest. We do not know of any other research or experiments that have been conducted on this topic.
When we were experimenting, we knew that the paintball would shoot at least 25 feet away from the target. So we started there and backed up 25 more feet every time the paintball could reach the target. One unanticipated issue that we encountered was we ordered the incorrect barrel for the paintball gun, and we had to wait for it to arrive, which delayed our research.
Our results were that the longest barrel shot the farthest compared to the others. The long barrel shot a max of 200 feet, the standard barrel shot a max of 172 feet, and when shot with no barrel, the paintball went a max of 25 feet.
The results of our project supported our hypothesis because the results showed that the longer barrel could shoot the paintball the farthest distance.
Here's the longer barrel, there's the gun with no barrel, and here it is with the standard.
Our results are up in the top left corner, and they just show what the note. It's just a graph of like the barrels and how they did.
Some materials that we used were the CO2 air tank, paintballs, the Tippmann 98 custom paintball gun, the Tippmann 98 custom original barrel, the Tippmann 14-inch sniper barrel, and a tape measure.
The keywords: velocity. Velocity is the speed of something in a given direction. Distance, which is an amount of space between 2 things or people. Air pressure. Air pressure is pressure exerted by air. Compressed air is air that has been compressed to a pressure higher than atmospheric pressure. Ballistic. Ballistic is relating to projectiles in their flight.
Our conclusions were: the length of a paintball gun barrel affects how far it shoots because the paintball has to gain speed in the barrel in order to shoot, which means that when you have a longer barrel, the paintball is going to go farther. The hypothesis that the longer barrel will shoot farther was correct. The longer barrels had increasingly better results the longer that they were. While conducting the experiment, it was also noticed that the longer barrel was the faster the faster the paintball seemed to fly. Also, the longer the barrel was, the faster the CO2 tank depleted. If asked to complete this experiment again, the size of the target would be changed because the one that was used was very small and some paintballs were wasted and it was hard to hit to make the paintballs bust.